When it comes to taking care of Mother Earth, one small act can create a big impact. And one business is promoting environmentalism and sustainability by using pandan leaves to create eco-friendly packaging. Well, joining us on New Day live via Zoom, the pandan industry owner Nicole Ansay. Welcome to the show, Nicole. Magandang umaga.
Hi sir, good morning po.
Good morning. Nicole, ang ganda na itong project mo, this business that you've started
Yes po.
is amazing. When did the pandan industry start at bakit mo naisipang put up ng ganitong business?
Actually po, nagsimula po ang pandan industry noong pandemic. Nagtitinda na po kasi dati si Mami ng mga ganitong klase ng produkto, pero through marketplace lang po. Then I decided po na gumawa po ng sarili kong Facebook page, and yan nga po yun yung pandan industry. So naisipan po namin na gumawa nito. So kasi po yung material po na pandan it is the culture and tradition po ng mga taga dito sa amin sa Cavinti, Laguna. So ayun po, yan po kasi yung pangunahing kabuhayan po ng mga taga dito sa amin.
Okay. Ito, kumbaga, lumang solusyon na to sa packaging problem. Pinoproblema natin ang mga plastic. When people go to the market, we bring all kinds of plastic bags. Ang bayong dati ng solusyon yan, and it's something that we have returned to and we see the benefit of. Estudyante ka pa when you began this business.
Yes po.
Magkano yung naging
Yes
puhunan
po,
mo?
until now po is student pa din ako, third year student po.
Okay. So, magkano yung naging puhunan mo and how has the business grown since then?
Actually po, about sa puhunan is hindi naman po kailangan maglabas ng malaking puhunan. Since ang kailangan mo lang po talaga is yung halaga po na pambili mo ng material, which is 250 pesos po para po makabili ka ng 100 pieces na pandan po.
Okay, para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, pandan of course is what we use when we cook. Ito yung medyo ang ganda ng amoy nito, ang ganda ng flavor, but it's also the main material that you use when you make yung classic bayong.
Yun, sir.
Magkaiba ba 'yon?
Magkaiba po yun,
okay.
opo. Iba po yung pandan na ginagamit natin sa panluto at yun pong pandan na
So it's a
ginagamit
different
natin
variety.
sa paggawa po ng mga ganitong material.
Yun. So
Yes,
how do you
magkaibang variety.
process this, Nicole? Paano ba binubuo yung mga creations ninyo?
Actually, sir, ang mahaba po ang proseso para makagawa ka po ng isang ganitong klase po ng produkto. So, una po is dumadaan po tayo sa paglilinas po, which is yun po yung cutting process. Then, after po ng cutting process, kailangan po natin siyang i-dry under the sun. So, after po ng drying, saka pa lang po makakapag-proceed ang weaver para po makapag-weave na. Then after weaving, so nagka-cut po kami ng materials para alisin po yung mga excess para sa ginawang produkto. Then after that, nagkakaroon pa po kami ng brushing. So brushing po para po malinis dahil some of the pandan meron pong mga dumi like this po. So ayun po, binabrush pa po namin yan one by one manually po.
Okay. Nicole, medyo malayo na tong narating from what is usually yung basic bayong. Iba-iba na yung mga designs and products na nabubuo ninyo. What are some of the products that you guys are making and what are some of the things that people are interested in nowadays?
So meron po di ba po sikat naman na po yung ganitong klase ng bayong, di ba po? So meron po din kami dito yun po, gawa din po ito sa pandan sombrero po. Ito po yung kadalasang ginagamit ng mga farmers natin. Then meron din po kami dito, wait lang po, tampipe. If you are familiar po dito, it is a base and cover po na product. Yes po. Ito po yung tinatawag namin na tampipe. Then, of course, ito po yung aming tampihat. So, tampihat po kasi, it is also a tampipi po, pero yun pong cover niya is designed by a hat po.
Shaped like hat. Ang gandang mga products niyan, especially itong Christmas season, people are looking for ways to package their gifts. Corporate giveaways is such a great solution for many people out there who want to package their gifts in a more environmentally friendly way.
Po.
Sa mga gustong bumili ng mga products ninyo, Nicole, where can they find you and how can they place orders?
So sa mga gusto pong bumili ng products, you can message me po sa aming Facebook page, ang Pandan Industry po, or sa akin pong Facebook account, Nicola Sereno Ansay po.
There you go. It's such an excellent solution. Medyo back to basics. Dati ng solusyon, definitely back in vogue, and it makes so much sense, especially for those who want an environmentally friendly solution. Nicole, thank you so much for joining us here on New Day.
Thank you, sir.